Good morning, everyone. So for our lesson 2 is we have now the standard normal distribution. So standard normal distribution is denoted by big letter Z. It is also a normal distribution having a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Since the normal distribution can have different values for its mean and standard deviation, so it can be standardized by setting the mean is equals to 0 and the standard deviation is equals to 1. So when we say standard, it has a standardized mean. 0 and standard deviation na 1. Because in normal distribution, again, it says here that they can have different values for its mean and standard deviation. Because in the last topic, the normal distribution, it has different mean. It depends on the problem that is given to. So again, that's it. Standard normal distribution. Again, it is standardized by setting the mean is equals to 0 and standard deviation which is equal to 1. So I will skip this pre-activity and we'll just answer. So as you can see, we have 3. So it shows the empirical rules. So the first one shows the 1 standard deviation, which is 1 inflection point from the mean, and the next one is 2 standard deviation, which is 2 inflection point from the mean, and then the last one is the 3 standard deviation, which has 3 inflection point from the mean. Again, in normal distribution, the mean is automatically at the center, and it has inflection point from the mean. It can be 1, 2, or 3. That is called 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, and 3 standard deviation. And then our standard deviation, it is definitely depend on the given number. As long as your mean is at the center. Again, it is not just mean that we're going to find in the center. We also find there the median and the. So below is the formula used to manually compute the approximate area. So in standardized normal distribution, mao gini siya ang iyahang formula. Pero we just use now. However, this formula is seldom used because a table was created to summarize the approximate areas under the standard normal curve and to further simplify the process. So this table of probabilities is known as the Z table. So it has now a table that summarizes the approximate areas. So because in this topic, we're going to find the areas of the normal curve. We now use the Z table. I think familiar niyo siya sa inyo because it's already tackled during your senior high school if you take senior high school. So if you are not pa, let's focus na lang and learn from this lesson. So when we say Z table, so let's get closer look to a Z table. Wala ito sa picture. Yes, this is a Z table. I will skip ko lang muna. Tagalog yan. So this is a Z table. So as you can see, it has different areas, meaning kanang mga areas atong kuhaon, and then i-identify nato unsa iya diri na number and then sa other side. Again, this is the Z table. Ito ta sa steps. We have steps in finding the Z table. Z score or area. So the outermost column and the row represent the Z values. Wait, I will just wait. Wait a minute. Para makita ninyo siya. So, yun, na siya. So again, for the Z table, let us get a closer look at the Z table. Again, this is the Z table. So the outermost column and the row represent the Z values. So when we say outermost, mao ni siya ang iyang gibot pasabot na Z values. Kana naa sa pinaka last na kilid. Alam nyo ka naka-highlight na siya. Kana siya. Una siya ang Z values na to. Kanang Z, kanang 0.0 up to 2.5, and then 0.00 up to 0.09. And then the other side, or the other slide is the negative Z, negative 3.4 up to negative 1.0, and then 0.00 up to 0.09. Mo na siya ato ang Z values. And the first two digits of the Z value are found in the leftmost column. So, kung may tag first two digit ko no, sa atong Z value, mao ni siya dire. Z value. Ana siya ang ato ang Z value. First two digits. Sige lang, we have an example man in the last. And then the last digit or the 100 place is found on the first row, which is this one. Kining nasa taas. Again, the first two digit of the Z value is kani siya dire, and then the last digit will be up here. Suppose the Z-score is equals to 1.85. So, locate the first two digits. So, ato na i-locate ang first two digit, which is 1.8. So, 1.8, it is located here. So, kani siya. Again, mani siya ang first two digits. So, 1.8 kani siya. And then the next is leftmost. And then the last digit is 0.5. 0.05. So, pag naman si 0.05 diri, so kung ata na siyang isugat, wait, atong siyang i-draw. So, kani again, mani siya sa, nadatay Z-score na 1.85. So, ang first two digit niya is 1.8. So, ang 1.8 na to na dire. Kana diha. So, and then, the last digit is 0.05. Atong palitan si 0.05 sa taas. So, 0.05 na, which is kani siya. So, atong buhaton, after ana, naman na-locate ang duha, then find their intersection, which gives the corresponding area. So, ato na siyang isugat kung unsayahang area. Sugat na to siya, diri apotob, and then, kanya. So, meaning, ang area aning Z-score na 1.85 is equals to 0.9678. Muna siya ang pagpangita sa area sa value sa Z-score. Ana lang na siya. Basta, again, ang first two digit is kani siya. Last digit is kaning 5. Imagine na lang na straight na siya, guys. Okay, it's so hard teaching online, man. Ganyan. See, let's proceed. So, another example. And then another example. Find the area of the corresponds. Z is just equals to 2.67. So, si 2.6 our first two digit. This one. And then the last digit is 0.07. So, this one. So, inyo na siyang isugat. So, yung area is 0.9962. And then another one. For example, find the area of the corresponds. Z is just equals to 1.25. So, atong first digit diri is 1.2. First digit is 1.2. So, kung ato siyang i-find diri, si 1.2 na diri, and then the last digit is 0.09. Automatic na siya 0. So, 0.09 na diri. Kung ato nang isugat ang duha, and then this one. So, yung area is 0.9015. Then next, find the area of the corresponds 3. So, kung whole value na siya, automatic, yung sunod na number na is 0, 0. So, yun na pagitaan si 3.0. Naman si 3.0 diri. Wala diri na sa Picas. 3.0. Nana siya sa isa ka Z table. Sige lang, maghatag ako another Z table sa inyo. So, kana siya. And then, pag negative naman po, di ba, manamata sa positive. So, automatic dito ta sa negative mo tanang. First two digit naman is negative 0.6. So, negative 0.6 is na siya. Ilahin mo din na Z table. Basta mag-give ko o another Z table sa inyo na naay negative. Sige. If you have question, you can chat at the group chat. So, next, let's identify now the regions under the normal curve that corresponds to different standard normal values. So, in order to find the regions, a probability notation is used. So, natay 3 ka-probability notations na atong i-consider or gamiton. So, probability notation, P, A is less than Z, less than B. So, where A and B, it can be the values. So, indicates that the z value is between a and b. And then next naman, p, z is greater than a means z value is above a. Meaning, dako pa si z value kaysa kanina value. And then next, p, z is less than a means z value is below a. So it would not matter whether we are considering p, z less than a or p less than or equal to a because same na sila. To illustrate, let us consider this example. So, ano siya? Find the proportion of the area between z is just equals to negative 1.25. So, and 2.19. So, meaning, duha ka buok z value ang gihatag. So, it can be expressed p negative 1.25 less than z less than 2.19. So, in terms of arranging your probability, always mo start sa pinakagamay na value, dilis pinakauna, and then, pinakalastong dako na value. So, read as the probability of that z is greater than negative 1.25 but less than 2.19. So, first na to buhaton is draw a normal curve and locate the z-scores and shade. So, mag-draw na ta og normal curve. So, in drawing normal curve, dito ta sa another side. Ang normal curve, diba, diingon nila is, agiingon sa first slide, that iyahang mean is 0. And then the standard deviation is 1. So, automatically, in creating the normal curve, ang atong mean na is na siya sa center. And then, iyang standard deviation is 1. So, kung dili na ta na side, gihapon is mag-add ta og 1. And then, sa pika side is mag-minus ta og 1. It's just the same in normal distribution. Sige, try na ta na siya. Ano na lang, para mag-claro siya. Yan. Yan, ang gingon diri is in creating, create first a normal curve. So, kung mag-create ta ang normal curve, masuotan ba? Hindi siya masuotan. Bigyan ko na lang ato na sa i-read first. So, locate the corresponding area of the z is equals to negative 125 has a corresponding area. So, ang inyong buhaton, after yung makadraw og normal curve, katong kani siya, again ha, pag sa standard normal distribution, automatically, iyahang mean is 0. And then, yung standard deviation na yung tulo ka buok is 1. So, mag-add mo og 1, 2, and 3. And then, bigas na yun, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. Because since you will minus the 1 to 0 in this side, and then plus the 1 to 0 in this side. So, after na, ato din siyang i-shade na to. I-shade na to asa si negative 1.25. So, imagine na si 1.25 diri. Nasya diri na side. And then next, 2.19. So, nasya diri na side. So, ato na siyang i-shade. Dapat color. Kana. Stretch siya kana si 1 point. Imagine lang ha, negative 1.25. And then the other side, this is 2.19. So, ato na siyang i-shade niya. Ayun. So, diha ayahang shaded part. So, ano pang itaw niya ang area each z-score. Negative 1.25 is the corresponding area is 0.1056. And then for 2.19 has corresponding area of 0.9857. So, step 3, if you're looking for area between 2, ang mangitagin mo area between the 2 inyong buhatos is inyong i-minus ang duha. I-minus ninyo ni kanisiyang duha ka area. Always ka mag-start sa dako. So, after yun minus ninyo, therefore, 0.9857 minus 0.1056 is just equals to 0.8801. And then, yun siyang i-convert into percentage. So, 0.8801 is just equals to 88.01%. So, mano siya inyong z-score. Mano siya inyong z area between the two z-score. Kana lang siya. Then, muna siya yung graph na naka-shaded part. Ano lang siya. I-shade ninyo kung asa siya mag-start. Dili aman si 1.25, negative 1.25, and then si 2.19. And then, shaded din na siya din na area. Then, again, kato siya yung buhaton. Pag duha ka z-score, automatically, you're going to minus the 2 z-score.